Using Afterpay with a credit card is a convenient way to make purchases and pay for them later in installments. To start, you need to have an Afterpay account and a credit card. First, create an Afterpay account by downloading the Afterpay app or visiting their website and following the sign-up process. Once you have an Afterpay account, you can link your credit card to it. Afterpay accepts most major credit cards, including Visa, MasterCard, and American Express. To link your credit card, go to the Afterpay app or website, navigate to the Payment Methods section, and select Add Payment Method. Enter your credit card details, including the card number, expiration date, and security code. After linking your credit card, you can start using Afterpay to make purchases. When you find a product you want to buy, select Afterpay as the payment method at checkout. You will be redirected to the Afterpay website to complete the purchase. Afterpay will then split the purchase amount into 4 equal installments, due every 2 weeks. It is essential to make your payments on time to avoid late fees. Afterpay will send you reminders before each payment is due, and you can also view your payment schedule in the Afterpay app. If you miss a payment, you will be charged a late fee, which can range from $10 to $25, depending on the purchase amount. To avoid overspending and late fees, it is crucial to use Afterpay responsibly. Make sure you have enough funds on your credit card to cover the installments, and only make purchases that you can afford to pay back. Additionally, consider setting up automatic payments to ensure you never miss a payment. Using Afterpay with a credit card can be a convenient and flexible way to make purchases, but it is crucial to use it responsibly and make timely payments to avoid late fees and interest charges. Always review the terms and conditions before making a purchase, and make sure you understand the payment schedule and any potential fees. By following these steps and best practices, you can use Afterpay with your credit card to make purchases and pay for them later in installments, while avoiding common pitfalls and staying on top of your finances.